In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use COMMUSOFT. So basically, COMMUSOFT is an all-in-one field service management software for scheduling jobs, managing clients, and tracking assets. Now, if we go to plans, we can see that they offer different plans depending on what do you need. So jobs, sales. Now you just have to book a demo for this, or for jobs request pricing based on the plan that you choose to use. So you just have to create the account and start adding users with roles for office staff and technicians. Then you can set up clients, jobs, and estimates with custom forms and pricing, and then schedule and dispatch technicians using the calendar and mobile app. And then after that, you can also track invoices, payments, and reports to streamline operations and grow revenue. So basically, that's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.